Hello guys, review tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1 inch display, 32GB RAM memory and 2GB internal memory, this Wi-Fi version. Okay, start unpacking, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have key for SIM slot, USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. This all standard complementation. And now talk about tablet. Made of metal and plastic. On the back side camera. On the front side 10.1 inch display, front camera. On the downside USB Type-C port, speaker and speakers. On upside headphones jack. And on the right side power key, volume keys and slot for micro SD card for memory. Turn on device, TFT display, full HD resolution, open settings, open Geekbench Antutu benchmark, open this test and talk about system information. CPU Samsung Exynos 7804, this octa-core processor 4+4 cores. First 4 cores work 1.6 GHz and second 4 cores 1.8 GHz. RAM memory 2 GB, internal memory 32 GB. Okay, results. Look ranking. Ranking 50 place Honor 8X. And we have 100,000. Okay, open Guitar San Andreas. One moment, please. Open Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Okay, game work on the max graphic level for this device and works normal with little lags, but we can play. It's max graphic level. Okay, close this and open camera, main camera 8 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.